Keeping a facility clean isn't easy. It's a tough job, and let's be honest, nobody notices when things go right. But the second something slips, everyone's talking. That's why at State, we help you clean smarter, not harder. Think about what happens when cleaning and sanitation get neglected. Floors become hazards, germs spread quicker, and odors take over. Neglect leads to complaints, safety issues, and even regulatory fines. Worst of all, it hurts your reputation, and that's hard to get back. Here's how it works. We start by looking at exactly what your facility needs. From heavy-duty floor cleaners to disinfectants that do the job, we make sure you're equipped with exactly what you need. And because we pair top-grade cleaners with easy-to-use dispensing equipment and provide ongoing training and reliable on-site support, your team spends less time mixing chemicals and more time getting things clean. Now here's why it matters. A clean space isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping everyone at your facility safe and healthy. It's about fewer sick days, less downtime, and fewer headaches for you. From easy chemical dilution to laundry to the rest of your facility, our systems can cut your operational costs. You get consistent, reliable results every single time, meaning no wasted effort and no surprises when inspection day rolls around. You're the frontline workers keeping facilities operating smoothly. With State, you gain an extra set of hands in your maintenance crew, making the tough jobs faster, safer, and easier.